Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to day 10 of our challenge where I'm taking an eBay store that's currently making $0 and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 every single month. Let's go and have a look at our store. We are currently sitting at 2,239 listings, okay? And we have some good news. We had around 4 orders that came in and $40, $52, $31, $39. We are looking at around $80, including postage fees. Nonetheless, I believe that we're currently around $80 profit today. I'll be disclosing that in my WhatsApp community. If you haven't joined, link in bio, go there and join the WhatsApp group. Anyways, moving on. So I'm going to go ahead and ship all of these 4 items. Let's go ahead and look at our traffic, look at our performance tab. We're currently at 451,000 impressions. Those impressions have turned 2,316 listing views, and these listing views have turned into 10 sales. Okay, remember we are at day 10. Okay, and we just literally started our store and we are making 10 sales. I don't know what to say, right? Click-through rate is around 0.2%. Conversion rate is around 0.4%. Now, as you're seeing by the nature of the business, we don't actually spend any money unless we get sales. So we get the money and then we send the sale, okay? Unlike any other businesses out there, the number one reason why I recommend this business, especially if you want to work from online, is because literally $0 startup cost, okay? This eBay store has probably cost me around $25 for a store subscription. That's pretty much it, right? That's literally it. That's all you got to worry about, like $25. That's what you're going to get started with. And if you take the other business into account, where you need a lot of capital just to start the business, I believe this is one of the best businesses out there, including the physical businesses that you can start with, okay? Just speaking for myself, obviously, if you got yourself a different business, good on you. That's all, okay? And this is the business model that I always include myself into. Anyways, in the upcoming videos, we'll be doubling, tripling, whatever, just listing as much as we can. And obviously, as you guys know by now, our sales is going to be going up exponentially. Our click-through rate, our conversion rate is going to be more stable in the future. So without further ado, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Take care.